how to fix high RAM usage or if your CPU has been used 100% on your Windows 10 and 11. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you are struggling with 100% CPU usage on high RAM usage on your Windows 10 or 11 PC, you're in the right place. Today, I'll guide you through 4 simple steps to fix these issues. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more helpful tips. So let's get started. Step 1. We need to stop certain services that might be causing this problem. Press the Windows key plus R to open the run command window. Now type in services.msc, then hit enter. In the services window, look for the file named CISmain. If you don't see it, look for Superfetch. Once you find it, right click on it and select stop. Then right click again and select properties and change the startup type to disabled, then click apply and then OK. Now close the windows. Moving on to the step 2, we'll disable unwanted startup application. Right click on the start button and select Task Manager. Go to the Startup tab. Here you will see a list of applications that start with your computer. Change the status to enabled and disable any applications you don't need. Once you have done that, close the window. And that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video.